reading?
Oh!
Just fell out! Yay! Grandma just fell out!
Okay. How many is that, Zoe?
3 teeth!
Okay, come in here. We need to brush our teeth because you forgot to anyway. Oh my God.
Mommy, my hand has blood all over.
Holy cow, you're just dropping teeth like...
Yep. Good. Can you lift me up so I can see my teeth?
First, let's brush our teeth and get the blood off our hands.
Let me see my teeth. Let me see my teeth. No, I want you to lift me up so I can see it. Can I see, Daddy?
There you go. Move your foot.
Can I call Granddaddy?
You can. Okay, let's rinse our mouth first. Go like this. Go. Here, no, like this. Okay, give me your hand. There you go. Wash it around. Spit it out.